Hey guys! Today I'll be making burgers and fries, everyone's favorites. So let's start with the fries. I have 2 potatoes here. I'm gonna start cutting them. Cut these in half. And I'll start lining them up here. And so I'm gonna put some salt on. And put some olive oil. And these will go in the oven. And while that is in the oven, I'm gonna start preparing the rest. So first I have onion. I'm gonna use half an onion. Peel this. Okay. Have garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna start making the patty now. So I have olive oil. So I have here onions and garlic. So I'm gonna first fry these 2 up. Ready. So start with the garlic. And onions. Fry these up. Smelling good already. So fry them until they become a little bit brown. Okay, that should be enough. So I'm gonna turn this off and start preparing the patty. So I have minced meat. So that goes in here. And I put the onion and garlic that is cooked. And I have breadcrumbs, here, and soy milk. So I'm using soy milk, but you can use cow's milk as well. And a pinch of salt. And pepper. And now I'm gonna mix this all up, and I'm gonna use my hands. Be careful because your onion might be a bit hot. All the ingredients mixed together. It's looking good. Let me turn the heat on here. Okay, let's start creating the patty. Okay. So make a round shape. A little bit more. This and put it in looking good. And I have another one here. Preparing the other ingredients while that's cooking. So first I have tomato. So you can use any vegetables you like. Cut 2 slices for now. Okay. So that's my tomato, and I have avocado. Yum. Ooh. Okay, and let me slice this up. Good, and I have lettuce and cheese to put in as well. So excited! And let me pick one. Ooh, looking good! Try the other one. Ooh. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on. So actually I don't know where my lid is, and this is a little bit small. Potatoes are ready. Looking good. Okay, I think the patty's nearly ready, so I'm gonna make some sauce. So I have here soy sauce. So I'm gonna put 2 spoons of this. And I have cooking sake. same amount. And I have sweet cooking sake, the same amount. Sorry guys, it wasn't open.
Oops!
And just a little bit of sugar. Like that. And mix it all together. And I'm gonna pour it on top of the patties. Ready? Looking good. And now I have mayonnaise here. Mayonnaise on top. And cheese. Yum. So it's going to start melting. Okay, let's start assembling the burger. I have the bread here, the buns. I have some lettuce. And tomato. I have avocado. Yum. Looking good. Put it on top. Oh, that fell out. And I have fries here. Some fries. Yum. And put the bun on top. Look guys, it's ready. My huge burger and some potato fries. I'm so excited to eat this. Thanks guys for watching, and it's time for me to eat this now.